Vanakkam children, this is page number 7. This page number 7 and 8 is homework for you. Let me explain. Okay. Think and ink. Write letters from A to Z. Mark the vertical lines. Mark the vertical lines in blue. Mark the horizontal lines in green. Mark the slanting lines in red. Mark the curved lines in yellow. Two examples have been provided on the next page. Shall we move? See here, they have given H and B and they followed the instructions, color code given in the previous page. Okay. Now, we'll move to PEP activity. We'll move to PEP activity given in page 9. So, today we are going to concentrate in page 9 to 12. Suresh and Rajan are walking around the park. They went to park. Okay, that was Sunday. So, they are in the park. The shape of the park is a dash. What is the shape of the park? It is exactly square. It is exactly square. So, shall we write? Yes, Q U-A-R-E, square. Have you all finished? Now, this Suresh is walking towards this side and this Rajan walking towards this lamp post. So, at the lamp post, they are going to meet each other. See here, they meet each other near the lamp post. They meet each other near the lamp post. Let me delete this. So they met now. They are shaking their hands and they are saying hello. So that point we call it as a corner. Already you know that is corner. Corners is a point where the two sides will meet. Two sides of any shape will meet at that point. That point is a corner. See down. Let us read. They meet each other at a point where the two sides of the square meet. This point is called a corner. Now move on to next page. Hands-on activity is a very interesting activity. You have to use matchstick and clay balls. If you have clay balls, you can use. Otherwise, leave it. Just keep the matchstick and do this activity. Use matchsticks and clay balls to form the following shapes. The clay balls are used to mark the corners in each shape. See here, in each corner, they kept that clay balls. Just to make you to understand the concept of corner. This is a dash. What is this? Square. So we have to write here square. Yes. Q U-A-R-E. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 sides. How many sides? 4 sides and 4 corners. Now this shape, rectangle, 4 corners and 4 sides. Rectangle spelling, shall we write? R-E-C, rec, T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. The same thing, 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. Then, what about this shape? This is a triangle, 3 corners and 3 sides. 3 corners and 3 sides. Let me write here triangle, T-R-I, angle, A-N-G-L-E, angle, triangle. Here also angle spelling comes, there also angle spelling comes. Okay, it has 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay. We'll move to look deep question. Which one of the following shapes does not have a corner? Which one doesn't have corner? Which shape? Circle. Circle doesn't have a corner because it is curved. Its face is curved. Now let me delete this. Now I will create a text box to type circle does not have a corner because it is curved. Am I correct? Circle does not have a corner because it is curved. You please write this sentence on this line. Okay. Now at last they gave one concept here. Only shapes made up of straight lines have corners. Only shapes made up of straight lines have corners. Yes, no children? When lines are straight alone, corners can be formed. When it is curved means corners cannot be formed. Okay, we'll move to next page. This is a homework page for you. This is page number 11. Look around. See this girl? Look at this. How she is looking around. See. Like that you should also look around to get the pictures. Let's read the heading. Paste pictures of objects that are around you and mark the sides and corners of each object. An example has been provided. So they gave an example here, blackboard object. Corners they marked and they wrote all the 4 sides. Like that, if you have any object picture, you can paste here and mark the corners and sides. If you don't have picture, no problem. You are all very good in drawing, no? You can draw any one object here and mark its sides and corners. Is it clear, children? This is homework for you, okay? Now the last page we will do now. Page number 12. Think and ink. This girl is ready to think and ink the answer. Look at this image of a cushion. Follow the given instructions. Always we have to follow the instructions. Okay, it is given below. See here, all these 4 instructions we have to follow. What is the shape of the cushion? The first question, what is the shape of the cushion? What is the shape? It is exactly square. If you just turn the book towards you and if you see that shape is exactly square. All the 4 sides are equal. Okay. So we'll write here square. Let me make it as big. Yes. Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay. Then draw 3 beads at each corner of the cushion. One has been done for you. See here. Here one bead is there, no? So we have to draw beads in this corner and here and here. Let me draw here. You also can draw along with me. I am choosing brown color. One corner over for me. Have you finished? Second corner. Then third corner. I am using mouse. That's why it's not coming properly for me. But you draw neatly in the sheet. Okay, children? I hope you will all draw neatly and write neatly also. Yes? Yes. Draw a small square at the corners of all the triangles. See how many triangles are there? 4 triangles. In that 4 triangles, corners are there, no? So all the corners we have to draw a small square. See here. Look here. It's correct. You too please draw along with me. This triangle is over. Then I am drawing here. Second is over. Third one, in the corner you should draw. You should not draw somewhere else. Okay. Now the last question. Draw a small circle at the corners of the rectangle. You have to draw a circle, a small circle. I am going to choose violet color. This is only corner, so a small circle. See here? Am I correct, children? Okay, we have completed all the instructions here. Okay, that's all. See, before you finish, please check it whether you drew everything. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.